So I went looking for the cheapest 1/8 scale basher I could find, and this is what I got. Let me show you what's in the garbage bag. It's nicely wrapped. Better over wrap than no wrap. This is the RH817. So I bought the brushed one. It's more than $100 cheaper, and I have a brushless system that I want to put in here. So that's why I took the brushed one. The Cobra. There's a 1/8 scale. There's the brushed one. There's the dimensions on it. Look at that color. Looks like a tiger got to it. Monster look-alike claw marks. Charger in there. 2 manual for the remote and a manual for the car. Some stickers in there. It's an antenna tube and a binding plug. It's used for the Fly Sky receivers. Manual brushed electronic speed controller. And some stickers. Brushless. Oh, you can just convert it to brushless. Put a brushless sticker on it. Here's the manual. All the part explosion diagrams, part numbers, everything you need. I already ordered some extra differentials for this car, and you can find parts for it. One box on the side, probably for the remote. These Fly Sky remotes are not the best, but they are cheap and really good. But this is the one that I normally use. It's the same thing, but I like them. They're cheap, reliable, haven't had any problems. I drove the car more than 200 meters, so you can't see it anymore, but the range are good on these. Very nice color. Let's see what's inside of it. Very high body posts. This body it's a thick body, some clear windows, so you can put a FPV cam in here. That's a big brushed motor, brushed ESC receiver box. It's not sealed. There's a hole in it. DSS013 servo, aluminium cap shocks. Feel like there's oil in it. I'll have a look. Aluminium anodized body brace on there. There's your switch. There's 8.4 volt battery. We'll have a run on this, and then I'll put the brushless system in. Now they say it's 1/8. You can put it next to the Savage 1/9 maybe. I don't know. It's not a 110, it's not a 1/8. So I just brought the camera down a bit so you can see more detail. This is a 590 motor. I haven't seen this big brushed motor in a car before. 65, so you can put a huge brushless motor in here. Speed control is a 400 amp speed control. I don't know about that. Look at that, 400 amp brushed ESC. Let's have a look at this battery tray. Quite big, it's got nice straps in there. 47. That's quite a good size. 136. You can fit a decent battery in there. Let's see the ergonomics. Like a glove, perfectly tight. Can't get this plug out. Terrible. We're gonna test this thing now, but what happened was we just took it to the street where we live. We was driving out of the house and somehow they got a rock into the gears and meshed, and so I just continued giving it throttle and the ESC went up in smoke. So then we installed the 3S brushed ESC. So we're gonna see how it bash on the stock battery. Give it a bash on a 2S LiPo. So the stock battery seems flat. Don't know what's wrong there. So let's see what it does on the 2S LiPo. Nice suspension. Oh. I have to put the brushless motor in this. Got a bit of a body slap when you take it too hard. So it's good, but nothing serious. I think it just needs a conversion and then we'll see what it does. If you want to see how it performs in the brushless conversion that I have lined up for it, like and subscribe.